So the Mission has started to play up. This is the first time it's been turned on for well over a year, well, nearly 2 years now. So I'm not sure where to start. So it is reading the disc now. So if I hit stop, you get this noise. Although that does seem to open and close, and that's actually reading the disc now. So if I take that out, close it, turn it off, and let's wait for a couple of moments, turn it on, open the tray, back in, okay, that's actually working now. So with that in mind, seeing as it's given it had to have time to recover, is it worth replacing these capacitors, which seem to be, oh yeah, very likely one of them is a Phillips. So yes, it is going to be well worth replacing that. So this seems to be something that you come across on older electronics. 1 minute it will work fine. If you leave it for a while, it won't work. So let's just have a look at how this goes. So we've got a transformer. I'm guessing that is going to be the rectifier, and oh yeah, there's a little blue electrolytic, which looks like one of those weird Phillips electrolytics with the weird values. That then goes to this front panel. Oh, there's loads of those blue electrolytics. Yeah, ideally I think I need to, oh god, there's more there. Ideally I think I need to replace those. Probably test them first, because it does look very clean in here, and I don't know if this has actually seen a huge amount of use. But yeah, certainly might be worth considering checking those capacitors. But it seems to be okay for the minute, so I'll put it back together and deal with that at a later point.